welcome back to my channel. Thank you all for being so consistent. I don't know if you watched the Toboggi oil video, which you should, but in that video when I was in the forest, I said there is something I'm gonna do with palm kernel. There's something I'm gonna do that contains palm butter that I heard about in Kenema town that I have never tried before. I have not eaten, and I'm sure a lot of you have not heard about it. So today, oh man, I wanted that. I'm sitting here with the town chief and oh man. So the town chief, oh man, hello, how you doing for?
Fine.
Okay. So the thing we're gonna do concerning palm butter, oh man, just tell them that what you cooking.
A palm butter dry rice.
Palm butter dry rice. You heard that right? Palm butter dry rice. So that is palm oil. Ooh, the water. Palm butter dry rice. I have had dry rice before, country rice, the pan, that you can cook everything together to make all the dry rice and I eat that one. But for palm butter, to eat palm butter dry rice, and see it. I know crew people can cook palm butter cassava leaf, palm butter potato greens, but palm butter dry rice, oh man, that only in Bong County they can do the one. Wow. So how will we be cooking the palm butter dry rice now?
We can call it pan. We call it pan fillet. Then we fillet.
Jada, no more way we cooking palm butter.
Yeah.
Oh wow. So we'll come and wash the palm now and lie to go.
Yeah.
Yeah. Dry fish. Our country roll cooking too.
Country. Macaw.
Yeah, we're going. So we got a bowl. And they'll come in. We'll come in, beat it, wash. And as we can say in colloquial, we'll come in fish it. But see the kitchen setup, guys. This is how the kitchen is normally set up in the village. You have the little hut, and then you have the wood, and then this one, this right here, this is the dryer. So if they want to dry fish, this is how they dry their fish. You can see the net right here. The old man and the women can fish it. So I think this is for the town chief. You know the town chief on here? That this the town chief can use to fish. And this basket too. She can use this to fish it, and then she can put the fish in here when she's done, right? Okay. Tengo I'm not lying to you. Okay guys, so the palm are not done. Yeah. After boiling for a few minutes, so we're just gonna empty it right here.
You are going to go.
Ooh, the heat. Thank you. Now the motor that I'll be doing. So I'm bringing it outside there for you. Thank you. I'm bringing it outside. I'm bringing it more. Oh, you're bringing it? Yeah, I'm not good in it.
They want my song.
They're all getting it young.
The way can be then lazy. Sorry. Is that it? Sorry.
Passo na weekend, meu amigo. E lá vem a mim, passo.
Yeah.
Come on, the dryer. How much you get? I say you want bowl. $100 for bowl. The party will be inside. We get dry fish that went to Harvard. Nobody must see me here. I think I screw everything on more. And I screw everything on more. So nobody must see me. Do this when I say wow. Screw everything on more with material.
Yes, we are love my go.
Yeah, they say you bring the cow. Bring the cow. You bring the cow, and the cow now will say, and the cow now will be carrying me to Dubai, will be carrying me Ghana, will be carrying me Kenya, Tanzania. Then now the marriage will be yoke.
Whoa.
Yeah, the marriage will be fun. It will be lovely. You know?
Thank God. I will look for it.
Yeah, you gotta look for the cow.
I want God.
Buy the cow. Buy the cow.
Yeah.
Yeah, daddy want to go to my man, and then my mom see the cow, she say, yeah, my daughter not do well. But no cow, nothing, I think I'll carry it. You understand? You say you understand it, right? You understand my point of view. Come on. Hey, see you laughing.
No.
I guess you know you laughing.
But like one dependent day I will not laugh again. I will look for woman, different woman again.
Cool.
So you say you want me?
Yeah.
Up there.
Get there.
Oh.
I think looking for a really bad.
Yeah, we start with a low white.
Hey guys, so we're done with the panda. We're about to boil the bunny. Oh ma, you put it in the pot?
Yeah, put in it. Yeah. No, give me a small one. I eat it.
Because you left small tomato in the pot. The bunny is real. You want to see? Okay guys, so let's allow the bunny to boil a little bit. When it's done, then we'll start adding the other necessary things. So
Yeah. Where that's all.
and we'll all be singing our song. I was singing that song.
Ide, jamu.
Nakana poma, nangala,
Go for
nangala poma.
You surprise you help me.
Nakala poma,
Nando mean no more.
nando mini mo photo.
Photo ma. I am no more. I no more.
Ay,
Nando mean no more.
ay,
Apple photo me.
ay.
You may.
Yeah. Hey, you're not singing the song this now. Hey, hey.
Manga do nini mo pulopoto. Yaba do ya ya. Yes, you know. I do. Nanga kwa manga do nini mo pulopoto. Nanga do nini mo pulopoto. Nanga ni mo Ayo gama. Ayo nini mo pulopoto. Nanga kwa manga do nini mo pulopoto. Nanga kwa manga do nini mo pulopoto. Nanga kwa manga do nini mo pulopoto. Pulopoto mi mai. Ya baganya pulopoto mi mai. Nanga kwa manga do nini mo pulopoto. Nanga kwa manga do nini mo pulopoto. Iya mari bu, bilang, nabe bang. Nah, apa mau?
Ana tahu ya nya ya bai bra me. Alai wa
Pera na.
Ko we se veo. Ya, le vi sin de. Okay, do the one. Wait, sorry.
Wow.
Wow.
I don't have finger. You not see my finger.
What you thinking about?
Let's hold it together.
That what we.
Just put your hand over my hand.
What do we hold it for now, huh?
Guys, palm butter, dry rice. The pepper is already in the pot.
Yeah.
And we left small palm butter there. We added water for the boiling to boil and done properly. Now we're about to add the rice. So when we finish adding the rice there, then we add the other palm butter there.
Yeah, we'll
then everything will
pour.
boil.
Then one will pour. We'll pour with the rest. And getting dry on it now, then put it on
We'll put the other palm butter away. Then everything done.
and everything.
Woo! I can't wait to taste it. Damn, palm butter dry rice. With country rice so that I read. Wow. Country rice we could eat raw.
Yeah, what up? Come here.
They party like a second face it.
Everything? Yeah.
I buy it.
You ain't playing now.
No, I'm talking about the rest.
Ain't talking about this.
Yeah.
You ain't playing it.
Plenty?
Yeah.
Under the ground?
You ain't playing this. Yeah. And you throw now, you get food, and you stick it oil. Open it ready. Okay, na.
Okay. I eat pamela every day. Pamela,
Me have some green cruise so we can eat palm butter everything.
yeah, when you want eat pamela, you can eat it. But that pamela, I can do it.
You can do it. So what do you like eating every day? What do you like? Your favorite food?
Maybe that boy.
Yeah, boy. Kasari.
Palava sauce.
Put it ready.
Put it.
You feel like favorite soup in that soup?
And okra.
And okra. Like Cindy you like too?
Masada. Oh, my baby. Get it. Hey.
Get it to Wagi?
Yeah.
Woo! I like it to Wagi too. I like palm butter. I like cassava leaf. I like potato greens. I like palava sauce. Flour sauce.
I get proud of penny.
You have flour sauce for it? Okay.
Water green.
Oh, water green. No. You like water green? Ah, I like water green. I like beans tobagi. I like beans. I like fried beans too. Fried beans, the butter beans, the kidney beans. Oh. Yeah, one can eat for going.
Yo. Mana buat mana weh? Nak beda pun nak kerja mana itu lagi. Ni ada. Ni padi pun juga ni. Kakak ni bukan juga ni. Eh, lang apa boy? Ni yang apa boy? Lang apa boy?
Mình có đi vô bằng giá mọi bữa giờ ba thì đi một cái là chơi
Không qua dù.
Okay guys, we successfully prepared the palm butter dry rice, and like count of 3, drum roll, 3, 2, 1. Wow, oh, it smells so good. Ooh. Ooh.
Okay, boy, then what are you doing there? Huh?
It's AA, right?
Cái vừa biểu như ramen.
Ramen.
Cái mà biểu như được ramen.
Ramen. Ramen. Waiting for your Uganda. What happened?
Cái này biểu người ba ngày chưa không mày. Nhưng mà là mang cả đấy có muốn ăn ăn mà gái nhỉ.
Nudi! Nudu! What you got to make about one baby? What you take?
Yeah.
Come on, one baby. Come on, one no.
Sweet.
It is. It really is. I really like the crust. Hey guys, so this is the final portion of the rice. This is the palm butter dry rice. Oh my god, and it tastes so good. I think my favorite is the crust. It's really crunchy and I love it so much. You should definitely try this whenever you have the time. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you for being so consistent. If you're new, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and tap the notifications bell. Love you all so much. Bye bye.